Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Maria, and if you're not, hello again and thank you very much for watching. So in today's video we're going to be talking about drugstore cream eyeshadows, and I have 4 of them over here. I couldn't find more, I'm sorry. So I have 2 from Maybelline. I've heard good things about these 2. I have the shade Pink Gold and On Bronze, and I have one from Essence Metal Shock eyeshadow, and I have a Nyx Lingerie lid eye tint. So we're going to talk about the formula. We'll see how they cover, how big they are, and we're going to test them on the eyes as well. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing that, stay tuned and watch the video. Okay, so I'm going to start by applying some brown eyeshadow on my wrist. This is where I'm going to do my swatches to see if they crease and how well they cover that brown eyeshadow. I'm going to start with this one. This is from NYX. It's the Lingerie eye tint, and the color is White Lace Romance. This one is really gel-like and it doesn't cover up that well, and it's a little bit patchy, so I don't like this one so much. Let's do the crease test now. So I'm going to bend my arm and see the results. The next one is Color Tattoo by Eye Studio, and this one is from Maybelline. It says it's supposed to last 24 hours. The formula is very smooth. It covers up the eyeshadow nicely. It doesn't crease much. It's very nice. The next one is from Maybelline as well. This is also a color tattoo. The previous one was Pink Gold. This one is On Bronze. I like this shade. Maybe I'll test this one on the eyes. The formula is the same. It covers up nicely, so I really like it. And the last one is from Essence. This is the Metal Shock eyeshadow, the gold one. This one is more glittery than the others. I love this one. Let me do a swatch. It doesn't seem to be as smooth as the previous 2, but it packs a punch. It's very, very glittery, so that's probably the reason. None of them crease that much, which is amazing. And these are the swatches on my arm. On a smoother surface so you can compare them. Okay, so those were the swatches, and now let's test one of them on the eyes, at least, because I cannot test all of them. I like these 3, but I think I'm going to test this one out. This is the On Bronze, so let's do that. I'm going to take that soft brown color from the Sweet Peach palette and define my crease a little bit. So I'm going just back and forth, and that's all I'm going to do. And I've decided to test this one out as well. This is the Essence Metal Shock eyeshadow. And I'm going to put it in the inner corner. Now let's smudge it up a bit. Okay, so let's try to cut the crease with this one. I'm really curious. Okay, that was really easy, and there you go, there's the difference. And it's finally time to give you my final thoughts, and here they are. So, these are amazing, by the way. These are the Maybelline Color Tattoo 24 Hours eyeshadows. They last a long time on the eyes, they don't crease, they are very full coverage, and they are really nice. They're great for everyday use, but I wouldn't suggest using them when you go out because they just don't pack a punch. Not like this guy over here. This is the Essence Metal Shock eyeshadow, and I love this golden color. This one really packs a punch. As you can see, it's very glittery and shimmery, and I really love that. I love these types of shadows. The last one, Nyx Lingerie, I don't like. It's very patchy, it's gel-like, but you cannot really blend it out nicely and evenly, so I wouldn't suggest these ones from NYX. These three, on the other hand, depends on your preference, are amazing. They don't crease, they are not weird or anything, they're really good, so I highly recommend these. So yeah, that concludes this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I post videos twice a week and I really hope to see you again soon. Bye!